chasing the sun. All those days trying to find a place, a place where you only can just be alone, alone. All those nights lying by your side.
Hey y'all, it's Jessie Lynn Somerville Kane and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I feel like my voice just kind of tried to go out. Anyways, and click the bell so you can always be notified whenever I upload a video. And if you are returning, thank you so much for your support. It means everything to me. If you haven't yet, make sure you have checked out my previous video of my husband doing my makeup. We had so much fun filming it and we look forward to doing more. I'll link it at the end of this video. As you can tell from the title, today's video is going to be doing a look using the Nightingale palette from Pretty Vulgar. This was in this month's Boxycharm, and one of my really good friends from high school requested this, so I told her I'd do a video on it, and I'm very excited to do this for her. And as far as the rest of my makeup, I will have everything linked down below as to what I'm wearing on my face, just in case you're curious. I'm actually gonna go in with this Alamar. I guess that's how you pronounce that. I'm guessing that's how you pronounce it. I don't know. But anyways, this blending brush that was actually, or that came in the Boxycharm as well. Actually, I'm gonna go in with just this brush and go in with Nocturnal and make sure my eye is good and set. Y'all, my husband used this in our video together, and oh my gosh, bless his heart. That was so much fun. Alright, now I'm gonna go with that blending brush, and I'm gonna go in very lightly with Hide and Seek. Since I'm not sure how pigmented it is, I don't want to go in too dark. And I'm going to throw that in my crease. Pretty Vulgar always has such cute packaging. I'm really liking these brushes. You know, okay, for those of you that watched the video with me and my husband, I'm gonna try to do the opposite of what he did. And if you watched it, then you understand. And if you haven't watched it, then you need to, because it's so freaking hilarious, y'all. I was literally crying during filming because he had me laughing so hard. Now I'm just gonna go in with this brush from a BH Cosmetics set. It's like an angled, fluffy type brush, but a little dense, but not too bad. And I'm gonna go in with Silver Spoon. And I'm gonna put that in my outer corner where I wish he would have put it. Now, this brush is good for darker colors for me because it's dense, but it's not too dense, so you can build it up. And I'm just packing that. I'll go through and blend it in just a minute. So I'm not really worried about if it gets messy. I'll clean it up or whatever. Alright, going in with my big fluffy Morphe 504 brush. I just love this one for blending out my edges. Or blending out the edges of my eyeshadow. I'm so excited. I have my hair color. I'm very nervous about the one I picked out, but I'm also so excited. I'm gonna go in with this little dense brush from another BH Cosmetics set, and I'm gonna go in with Break Free, and I'm gonna go in and highlight my brow bone with that. And I'm just using that Morphe M504 brush to blend. Now I'm gonna go in with my finger with Pillow Talk Oh, and that is so pigmented, which I am using my finger, but come on now, it's just easier. I've just been doing that here lately and rolling with it. Alright, I'm going to take that Morphe M504 brush. Make sure everything's just nice and blended together. I'm going to go ahead and pack a little bit more Silver Spoon down here. I'm going to go back on that Morphe brush and kind of blend just a little bit. Alright, now I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup off camera and I will be right back. Alright, this is the final look. As far as this palette, honestly I really who else has used this Maybelline Total Temptations mascara and I just feel like it gets everywhere. Like, it always ends up down here and I just feel like I'm always making a mess with it, but I wanted to try it again because I love Maybelline, but I just don't feel like that mascara works for me. Does anybody else have that issue? If you do, comment down below and let me know because I just want to know if I'm the only one. I really enjoy this palette. The colors are very gorgeous, they're very pigmented. It's a gorgeous palette. I really love it. I really like this look. See, I got mascara right there. Again. Anyways, let me know if that happens to anybody else. That is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Toodles!